This is Mark. Mark is enjoying his morning coffee. Mark likes the ocean and photography. He also does something quite special with his time. He's part of a group of people that share a common purpose. This group is a driven bunch of marketers and creatives. They work their butts off to build businesses.
How? Results-driven digital marketing, and they strive to do it better every day.
Take that guy, for example. That's Tom.
Wait, I'm Tom.
Anyway, Tom is passionate about everything outdoors and loves a good wood-fired pizza. But you know what really lights Tom's fire? Coming up with ways to help businesses grow. And Tom understands the best way to grow a business is by growing its people. This lot are a bunch of no-ego, down-to-earth humans who really value relationships. They're all about honesty, authenticity, and great vibes. Truth is, they care about what they do and why they do it. This team is more than a business. It's the people and relationships that are right here. It's this guy, it's this gal, and it's him. Hey, we're Dilate. Pull up a chair.